we're going to have a party for a weekend.
All right.
All right? A party for a weekend, not a date, but for a weekend. So, Sister Bobby, our colors are silver and purple. Working it now, working it. Introduce our community to us.
Amen. Thank you, Pastor Woodson. And to my Bethel family, it is a very exciting time. You know, God has been faithful to Bethel. God has been faithful to our families. And God has been faithful to you and faithful to me. And so, as Pastor Woodson said, we are entering into our 25th anniversary season. This will be a season. We are on a 7-month countdown, and I am very excited to serve you and to serve God and to serve our church in this capacity. And we have a wonderful, wonderful group that is working on behalf of our goal, and I'm going to ask them to stand. We have Ursula Barber, who is our communications specialist for our efforts. We have the lovely Pat Love in the back there, who will work on our special Saturday celebration. I'm not going to give it all away, but our special Saturday celebration. Terrence Woodson is in the back. He is working on our Super Sunday service. So that's all you can get on that. And then we have the lovely Miss Rachel Lewis. Please stand. And she is working on our special project. You hear a lot of specials in there, don't you? So as Pastor Woodson said, his 25th anniversary is silver. And so our colors, our theme will be silver and purple. Our Bethel colors are purple and gold, so we're just doing a little bit of a variation on that. We have many things in store for you, but I want you to mark your calendars today for October 25th and October 26th. Those are the days that will culminate our special 25th anniversary celebration. And we are very excited about the work that we have embarked on. And what I will say is we plan to update you and keep you connected to our efforts. But as we enter into this season, think about pledge, service, and sacrifice. Can you say that with me? Pledge, service, and sacrifice. God is calling us to a higher order. He is calling us to a higher level of faithfulness. And so if each of us concentrate on pledge, service, and sacrifice, we will get there together. Amen? Amen. Amen. Thank you.
Amen.